My. Eh? Somebody send a request so fast. Polo Monday. Good morning, my beautiful people. Good morning, lower voltage. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, troublemaker. Good morning, oh, my troublemaker friend. How your side now? Good morning, everybody in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, bro. Good morning.
Yeah, on your side.
I thank God, oh. How your side?
Catch it.
Giuseppe, dimmi.
See, you go to the Apple for Facebook now. That one with the,
Sta nella...
that one with the deport now. Me, I talk food.
Yeah, my waiting. I make me come outside this morning now.
Hey, I beg me, I talk food. Waiting our embassy this is they do. I don't like them. How the German people will carry the woman go Nigeria embassy make they deport them. That is I don't the best this morning. Well, I don't the best. I beg me, I talk food too. Yeah, Boko now. I will beat this woman. I beg me, I talk food. Me, I talk food because this morning I don't the best. Me, I talk food too. All people that talk for social media, me, I talk food because what did they do that woman? Me, I don't even like her. I don't even like her. And I see say, come on, let us see that one you won't talk.
Yeah.
I say,
Yeah, now I want to talk. But the thing is that we fit talk, but we cannot do anything. We cannot be of help. Because person will be say you stay Germany for 14 years, oh, good 14 years. Reasonable person, oh, reasonable person. You stay for Germany, good 14 years, not be 5 years. 14 years, you get 3 children. You born those 3 children for Germany. You no fit do anything. Maybe among one of those children, may you find because they say any which way na way, may you find wetin you will do. Take get your paper. Me use myself as an example. When I come this Germany, I get belle for my daughter. As I come, they tell me say because they share system, they see everything. They say you don first stay for Italy before, you don dey long for Italy, you dey work, no problem, this and this. So anytime we can deport you back. You can spend 5 years here, 6 years, but when we have your time, we will take you back. I have to work hard to get my document. Today, I don't care if people call me single mother, they call me this. I do what I do because I know what I want. Because I don't want to go back to Italy, or I don't even want them to take me back to Nigeria. That's why I did what I did. Some of our sisters, una go get the money, but for una, instead of una to use the money for the right thing, we be say go help una for future. We no go do one. If not to use the money now to go buy unnecessary things now, we go do one. If not to send the money now, go give pastors, give native doctor, make they take do something for us, we go do one. Today, uncle, and advice we be say I want give many of our sisters for this journey. Many of us we believe say na to get pikin. If you get pikin, they no fit do anything. Sister, you dey lie. If you like, go 50 children for Germany. If they want deal with you, they will still deal with you. If they want to, as far as their papa, as far as their papa no be German. Excuse me. As far as their papa no be German. Their papa no get document for this country. If you like, born 50. If you like, born 50 children. They will tell you say, your baby is an asylum seeker. People don't say you even sometimes people don't say you even born for German. The papa not consign. The papa say not consign me. Your baby is asylum seeker.
No, sir. Okay, if you born now, the papa not say now you get the pikin. No sign. If the papa dey now, we start the pikin now you born now. If he can't come back again to Europe again, as the papa not sign now, who go carry and come back to Europe again? No one dey.
For the woman, I not just. For the woman, I don't know anything about the baby papa or her husband. I see many people they comment, they ask, say, where her husband? And I beg my people, many of my people are not that woman because she says she they stay whether not for Eka or I don't know where she says she they born. I don't know where she says she they stay. I beg if anybody they want to say, I know that woman very well. When I stay the same house with her. make una still let us know, una still contact us so that una go give us some information. Then we go know. Because me, I never see where person they stay for Aduro as for good 14 years. Good 14 years, no documents, they not deport you till 14 years. You might not they do like that. If you still stay, maybe let me say if you still stay with them 7 years, oh, let me just say it like that. But I believe say no go even reach. If they don't want to give you documents, they go deport you back. They're not going to keep you here, make that they waste your time. They're not going to keep you, they go deport you, go back. This one where this our sister say she stayed for Jen. I beg when they share the video, I beg. This one where she stayed for good 14 years. Good 14 years for Jenny. Born the 3 children. Say our children they go school. You know me, put on your children they go school. 14 years. They give you the chance that they wash you, that they wash you, that they wash you. You just sit down. Aduro money is coming. Aduro money is coming. You don't want work. You don't want school. If I even see the woman with the first one the video, they say speak male and speak German. The woman not even fit speak German for maths. The children want to speak now. What the fuck? You spend 14 years for another man's land. You don't get anything when you say you learn. Say if you call your country tomorrow, you go still do something. Tell do something for your life. No, you know do. People wanna go help, make the help. For me, you don't concern me.
I beg, and I'll help her. Now our sister, to understand. I mean, I help her. I help her because the situation where they now is not good. How Nigeria embassy, the German people carry our sister come for embassy and of course deport her to Nigeria. Our embassy, they are very fuck up. You're not supposed to make the deport that woman. Not supposed to make the deport our embassy. Not supposed to make the deport that woman. To understand? That no, I don't know what I want to talk to. I beg, me I help the woman. Me I help her. The woman, she dey pay now.
Okay.
She dey pay.
The comment here say she not stay 14 years old, but the video I will still play the video for now. I play the video. I'll play the video for now again because the woman says she stay 14 years or maybe na me not hear well. I'll replay the video so that we go re-hear well before I go conclude. Before I go continue with my topic. Compared to the comments now say she not stay 14 years. Nikki, I beg, if you know this woman, you know things about her, I mean, you still let us know, I beg.
I help the woman. I beg. I help the woman.
Let me look for the video.
He said the man stay with her there. This thing don't happen. Only one day.
So you just talk wetin really happen. Me your baby come first. So tell us wetin really happen. Just explain for us wetin happen.
The thing they pay me well. They pay me. The thing they pay me. Not be lying. Too much. She need help. I beg.
The children, wait for that. The children.
Yeah, 14 years in Europe, not in Germany. Okay, yes, bros. Yes, I believe you. Not in Germany. Tough time. I believe you, bros.
I said you want all of this, so how many years you done this?
He did 14 years in Europe, not be Germany.
You see, she said she spent 14 years, 15 years for Europe.
I beg. She need help. I beg. Me I still talk to about this thing. Our embassy not good. Me I still talk to them. It's not good.
Yes, that kind of say. Germany go use their hand take deport their own citizens. Children when they born for Germany, I ain't saying their hand take deport come Nigerians. I see when they take one, but now they take one.
I beg.
Okay, pay your children speak to Germany. You understand? So maybe not be say we just talk, but we just
You see the film. This thing will happen. So this thing will happen when they come deport this woman now. The man not there with her there before they come go drag her, put handcuff for his hand.
Anyway, some people they see, yeah, okay, Nikki, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. I will do that because you guys are right. Because sometimes we don't know what's happen. You know, good, maybe we see the judge. Now make me say anybody will be so now still know the woman and get the contact. Make now still let me know, so that maybe we still hear from the woman what's happen. Because normally before, if they want to deport, sometimes they feel deport person go country way for country.
Okay, sister, I'm not leaving now. You are beg, you talk to them where all those our people, all those our embassy. Now that one I want to talk to, not be the woman. The woman don't get fault. Now our embassy we come, the German carry the lady go give them. They can go deport her.
Good morning.
Now I want me to talk to.
Okay.
Yes, God.
So my brother, continue, Jared.
Yeah.
Bros, continue.
What I want me to do now, eh? All those our embassy, Nigeria embassy. Now you want to talk to? Don't they work well at all? Don't they work well? As our German people carry the woman go there.
For that one, everybody they complain for that Nigeria embassy. And sorry guys, yesterday I supposed come live because he gets some kind of things maybe say happen for Munich. He gets some things maybe say happen for Munich. I suppose come live, come give now the information before I go the place first. But it was too late. It was too late. Now yesterday now I can't receive the paper. Now yesterday I received the paper and the thing now the 14. Now they do one. I received it yesterday night. So it was too late for me. They say they invite Nigerian embassy come there this thing for Munich. Later I go read the paper for everybody so that now hear them. So they say they want to know which people come from Nigeria and the ones who say they don't come from Nigeria. So that make them know if they want to deport people, make them know which countries that will deport them go. But before I go through here, I go read the paper given.
What happened?
We are okay. Thank you very much, Liamari, my lady. I agree with you. So, people, you guys are right. We really need to contact with the woman, ask her exactly what happened, so that she can tell us what happened before we start judging her. Anyway, before we start blaming her. But what the woman should say the truth. Thank you, Sandy Melanie. That is it. Because I don't want to talk. Maybe people not gonna say, this woman a CG woman, or this woman too wicked, or this woman heart na strong. No, we need to say the truth. Who they say genuine, who they say genuine, who will they deceive? I never see where they forgot the deport person.
Amore. Ciao.
If they want deport person, because me, they don't deport person for my present before the same house. This family come for Kosovo. So they get 4 children, husband and wife. So this woman now, she carry lawyer after I don't give them rejection, they could do for their house guys. Now the same lawyer, me and the Jews that time, lawyer want to use for my baby. So the same lawyer, when this thing happen, they give this woman appointment, say tomorrow morning we go court. They will go court, make them go talk about this woman case, make them know whether they go accept them yet or they go throw away them, go back to their country. The same day when we say they suppose go court early in the morning of it, around 6 in the morning, early in the morning, and that kind of time. Okay, please, Paris Shine, I will call you, please. Around that kind of time now, around that time, 6 o'clock now, see that time they do control. If they want to control whether person carry visitor put for house, because if they stay at the road, they'll say visitor is not allowed to sleep. Before visitor go allow, you need to go tell them first, so that they will not say so person day.
Yeah, that's true.
So that day now, me I get visitor for us. As I hear the bell, I say Jesus, control don't come, because this one Since when I enter, they never control once, and they never control. Say maybe they come meet me with visitor. So I was like, God, this woman had to come outside. Say, her children they sleep. Make her open door. I say no. What do you mean they see here? The way that they repair, and because that time I see the work follow them, they clean house, all those stuff. The house ones that they call me, he said, "Na open door." I could even the fear. Say, Jesus, what's in the apple? What's in the apple? So, yeah, it's okay. What's in the apple? The next thing, now the woman said, "No, make her open." She go open the door. Now I said, "No problem." She feel open. She feel open. As she opened the door, if you see police will come. BB cars, I think like 3 BB cars of police, small one, people from Lantrasan, people where we say they go help this woman pack her property, they follow her. But my president, now they tell them, say, make they carry anything where we say they want. This way we say they will do. This way we say they don't say they will do. Make they pack them. The people that they point, the people they help them, they carry the property. Okay, my brother, I will invite you later. Many people want to talk in, okay?
Okay.
So many people they help this family, they pack things. Now they hear me, so this our sister said they don't allow carry anything. Okay, let me. It's okay, I need to. One by one, okay, please. So this one, this woman said they don't allow her carry anything. I don't understand. And those family, when we see that they don't anchor them. They don't anchor them. If I even call police, call the lawyer. I call the lawyer. I say, see what did they happen. The lawyer say, "Me, I give phone to police." As I give phone to police, now the lawyer begin to ask the police, why you want to carry this woman because her case. Now police say, "No, they don't come for me. Now this Kosovo family, now they come for. Now I come to the man say, they don't come for me now Kosovo." He say, "Yes, Frau Bibo, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. They have to go." I was like, what the fuck? After the lawyer collect all the money when they say they pay because the new pay, this lawyer come for me, they bring money come. This family pack the money because they need to pay for, including the children, for all of them. For all of them. So sometimes, again, I don't feel understand this woman also they are couple, they don't allow her carry something. It get as it be. It get as it be for my own way. My sister not vessel, but it get as it be. So caller, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Sorry, I'm not too much fine. I be no one show my face because I did Camp Christian, you understand? So
Okay, sir.
my talk, my voice not too much okay.
Okay.
You know, I dey see the woman since yesterday say because for me, I've been in Germany before. I don't stay for Germany like 3 years before I come Austria.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So although I don't see issue like this, maybe say she get Austria pass, German passport. Then I was living in Hanover. So this thing happened in front of me. You understand?
Yeah.
So when they call, I say the woman do some, you know,
Yeah.
I'm not just talking,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah. So come like somebody can go investigate her, say, see what she do. But the people came and collected the passport from her and take the children back to her country. That one now, we know what thing they say, you see, no we. You understand? So in case of this woman, they say, the thing they shocked to me, say, me, I get 3 children here. So if you know they hear me, I'm not more than I sure they.
No problem. They hear you.
Understand?
They hear you.
So I get 3 children here. So when I first come Austria here, me I not get paper, I be Aduro. You understand?
Yeah.
So I be Aduro, and my first, even when I even born.
Hello.
So that called the father of my kids.
Yeah. Good morning.
He get Austria passport. You understand? So they can't also okay since me not get, and the time we can't say born, they can't change the law. So immediately I bought the court was okay because say my child me na Aduro. So they don't change the laws now. Waiting mother will get, now the son will get, or make I go take Aduro for my son. So I need to do it because they say if I not do them, either I will leave my son behind, they will deport me. What will I do? So I need to take Aduro. Don't be say my son will begin to talk history.
Please share the video. Please share the video.
So the Aduro when I take, maybe my son take immediately. But after my second son, what I call okay, the man when that is my husband, he gets passport, and automatically, if my husband marry me, my son will get instantly. So as I get my second son, that was when they issue a visa for me. automatically, maybe I got married, my son get passport, the other one get passport. So the issue of this is that it did very somehow to me. Sorry that I'm not lying, that I'm not trying to say you woman say she talk the truth, but me seeing her, she's not saying the truth. Make she talk the truth because
Thank
I
you.
can't
That
see
is
a
what
woman
everybody
with
are
this
saying. She's
I
not
can't
telling
see
us
a
the truth.
woman like at least I see most of her picture where we say her son they play football. I see the picture.
Yeah.
Even when they want to deport, at least the team supposed to accept. So I beg, people can leave this boy. You know, for me, I don't see issue like this. You understand? But me looking at this story, there's something behind it. These kids, they're not born from Germany. Like even people they bring from another country, then even they accept them, although it's not easy, but you need to such a strong lawyer that will accept the child because there was a lady that came from Italy. She gave a leg come here. So when she come here, but they know it's okay, they not going to accept her. They also allow her, may she have the baby here. So immediately she delivered here, they gave her just only 3 months insurance. After 3 months insurance, they asked the woman to go back for Italy. They will not accept her. Are you getting me? You see where the story for the come. Even say the woman, I see most of the comments. One lady said she know the story about the lady. Say a church member tell her say she come from Italy. She born these 3 kids for Italy. So she bring they come Germany. So that the German police tell her say she go back to Italy. So the woman refused. So they came so now waiting at the read things. You understand? So the woman refused. So they came as early in the morning. So they said even the church member gave her 3 lawyers. According to what I read, I go fit transfer and can't give you. But it was too close. So they came, they carried the picket. So when police they tell you say, carry these children, go Italy, do not carry them, go, which what the children they are being to you cost it upon yourself. And like the lady when I told you about, she had the baby here, 3 months insurance. They asked the woman, may she go. But I thought I could help her. I asked the woman, come my house, come stay. But I have to stand for her for insurance, like, okay, as a mother, I know some way. But immediately she was not comfortable where she was staying here. But she moved at on her way going, now they for control her. And they control her, they leave her for, I think they put her for deportation camp. So when they go ask her, say, where is the father of this child? He said the father in Italy. They put the woman back to Italy. They can't go, as I'm talking to you, she's in Italy with the baby. They don't can't go Nigeria. So this woman issue, like when they read, I don't read about 3 to 4 pages. One woman say she lied, the other woman say she lied, and then the same story when I read, neither when they talk, and they are different people.
That is
you understand? It's so sad that see these children suffering, you know. I so pity. The other one they scratch his body, the first they say beat. No, it's so painful. The woman make she talk the truth, whether I get what she do or she did leave the just come your ass job begin. At least they will feel want you, or if they want to deport, or if you carry the woman deport, leave the kids. As far as say the children they were all born in Germany. It's very difficult for a police to deport their own children. You know what they call children? Even the German, they love the children more than the mothers. They love the children more than even the mother who born them. So it's very difficult for me to believe, say, there's something fishy where the woman not be talk. If she not tell the truth, nobody go gree help her. She go feel ranty for social media. Social media cannot help her. She need to tell the truth. I'm saying the truth because this one that they see, there's no truth on it. There's no truth. Make she tell the truth. What is the 3 children of the woman?
Okay. So somebody write comments here and I said the 3 children were born in different countries. One was born in Switzerland, the other one in Italy, the other one in Germany. Hello, caller, are you still there? Talk is bad. So we still have more people here. So my people, I'm not judging the woman. So because the Bible said I shall not judge. So I don't judge anybody, but I think there is something the lady really needs to tell us. She has something to tell us, and she needs to say the truth. If you say the truth.
Hello.
Hello, good morning, my sister. Good morning.
Good morning, my beautiful sister. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Well done. I just want to contribute a little bit of what you are saying on your live video. Hello.
I'm hearing you, my sister. I'm hearing you.
Okay. You get what I want to talk about what you first talk before. You say the woman don't spend how many years for Europe, for Germany. She no sabi speak German. Yeah?
Yeah.
My sister, you see person like me, if I dey country where they know they speak language, speak English at all. If I like I did it for 20 years, I no go hear AB.
Ma, please, I'll call you. Don't waste your. Two people are calling me. My sister, continue.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
If I dey country where they know they speak English in a different language, I no go hear A or B because the person wey not sabi the hear language and they tell you. Say me, I can't speak. I know if speak my ear deaf to hear that language. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So there are people like that. Because I mean they use myself, they put an as if now me, they Jenny or Spanish, whatsoever country where they speak English. I not go here, go and come. I not go here, go and come. You understand?
Yeah.
So for that one, I would not blame that woman too much for that one. As long say as children, they speak. You understand? We don't go blame whether it's stay country for 20 years. So people see there for this UK, American, Canada. The English not physical, not see be like the way the people where born, where they born here, they speak. You understand? So make we not judge that woman for that language, say she knows a big speak language. Yeah? Okay, as for the other one, how come Germany people go just deport woman wey get 3 children, the old citizen? It they happen for Germany for there.
Yeah, what is that?
How come Germany people just deport woman with her 3 children? It they happen for Germany.
Yeah, Germany can deport because I get one story one year the other time with 4 children, they deport and with another one for Bele, they deport. And another thing one want to talk concerning deportation, not be me be God. You know, say they say Bini say woman second or the if you never reach where your destiny day, you know go stop. And another thing be say, yeah, many of our women and Germany, what did they do be say, they go like you, may you go school. Go school, learn anything where you say you want learn, now your own. If they not fit again, they'll tell you say they not fit, they will stop you. If you still enter their eye, they fit tell you say may you go work. Maybe now they don't send you letter, say may you go work, or may you go school, you not do. What you want to do, you say you want the bone. Because say Jamie said they need picky. You want the bone, you go nyapo to for ground. Oh, thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Let me pin the number out. Here's my phone number. You will say you want born. So this woman's story, everybody they talk now say truth, not the story. The woman need to tell us if she need our help. She need to tell us.
Madam, what that truth did this woman's story? I don't even know her. I have not met her. I have not spoken to her before. I don't know who she be. Whether true they or not true. My concern is the children. Why they will come deport those children where they're born for there? That woman have the right to carry lawyer, get lawyer, take fight, and if they say they must deport, maybe they deport the woman, they will leave the children for that country. Do you understand? Okay,
no,
like people like
for that one I disagree. Or as they carry the, like for example now, God forbid tomorrow that they ask me say, we take your children from you, you stay Germany, or we take you with your children back to Nigeria. I'll go they sell fish, they take care of my children. No be say okay. I won't allow them carry my innocent children. Or let me want because I want to stay Europe. No. It's better as they carry the woman carry her children.
But my sister, what you mean they talk is that no matter what the woman do, say at least say the woman don't that woman still fight this case. I'm telling you, that woman still fight. If she see better lawyer, she go fight the case. Yeah. That children, they go return them back again to Germany. No matter what, make we just say, now the citizen of that country, now those children be now. You know, okay, like we will be adult. If we want to go Nigeria, we will first go take injection, take this, take that before we go Nigeria. You understand? Okay, the children now suddenly boza. They just deport them without nothing. Children will never go Africa before. You understand? Mosquito, everything go bad, then they go suffer, and they go, they go feel and say, yeah, they be real, in Africa they do so.
Caller, because of this word when you talk, so may I answer you? Now we will be mothers. If you don't call yourself mama, you know say in Nigeria you for come. You need to teach your children African food. Anything African, make that they take on so that they go out, go too much affect them. But
no, we are not talking about African food. We are not talking about African food, yeah. We are talking about the country. If we want to go Nigeria, now like me as a matter go Nigeria, I have to go take injection, take this, take that. You understand? If you want to carry your children go Africa now, you still go give them injection, give them this, give them that, because they never go. It's their first time. But like this children case now, it not be like that. You understand? So they just deport them like that. You know?
Yeah, Paula, thank you very much for calling. May I still add other people here? I will still add you later, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. So that's, even though you have 50 children, Jamie, you have 10. Try to work hard. Do something reasonable with your life. Don't sit your fucking ass one place and be. Oh, man. See, I do not like to vex for this issue this morning, but sometimes this our sister need to tell us the truth.
Hello, my sister.
Good morning. Good morning, my sister.
I want to talk for this matter.
Okay,
the thing they surprised me. The woman not get paper. The woman not get passports for Jamie.
I tell you, the thing they confuse me.
They don't fit those carry in with children like that. Just go through away for
for no reason.
He don't get paper. In the midnight,
not early in the morning, the midnight. Something is wrong.
You know they stay yes. I bet Mona help me tell the woman. May he talk true. If he talk true, we go help him. People go help him.
Sister, tell us.
May he talk true.
All of us go help you. We go.
That way they talk say now because of say no go school. No. Like me, I know the hear language. I know the hear. I know the hear one. I know the hear two. But now Jamie, you know my face now. We be friends for Facebook. Now Jamie here now a day.
You see. Please, if you want to call, send your request. Hello, ma'am, hearing you. I think network is weak, so I have to on my YouTube. So, man, I'm hearing you. Please continue.
I dey pity the children. I beg. Mona talk for this matter. The children, if you see the way mosquito take chop them. The thing even tire me.
Yeah, I see now.
I
pity the children anyway. I pity the children. Good morning, my lady. Good morning, Opamobugwe. Good morning,
okay.
Good morning, my lady.
I don't.
Louis Etobo says
I beg. Let the woman talk true. You get one way a pastor talk yesterday. He get one way a pastor talk yesterday. I don't know whether na you, because a pastor make sure they say na joy, but instead of saying be joy, he get some way call yesterday for a pastor video yesterday, but I never know whether na you.
Yeah, they say na the same thing. No, this for two men. For two men.
But the way we party talk and that yesterday, they thought say him with the husband, they just quarrel 1 year now. But the thing I can't that for the matter. Me no can understand. But they thought say he no do anything, they just boss he has the pattern like that.
That one is
like
impossible. That
one is impossible.
It's impossible. Well, you don't do anything.
They tell us the truth.
Not today where people say we don't understand. Around 2, not be early in the morning. If they want to vote, now early in the morning.
They thought 14 years. It's saying in those spend 14 years for Dutchland. You not get passports. 14 years. But that picky, the one where part they talk yesterday, they said the the son at 10 years. The thing can't they son hard for me. I don't understand.
The woman, madam, please, I don't know if you are watching me. You have to tell us the truth. If you want people to help you, say the truth. Many people take this Facebook, not social media. When you say the people send you invitation, then you take come here, you go start your life. You need to tell the people the truth. If you don't tell them the truth, how can people help you? Please, madam, tell us the truth. The truth is what we need. I'm begging you, tell us the truth.
This one not be money matter. Mo just forget money, say can't donate for her. No, you need to tell the truth. No, know the step we will follow. Actually, they understand me. Because na a movie, if a show yesterday, I listed everything. What did they happen? May tell the truth whether not the woman. Thank you, my love.
Thank you, pretty Sandra. I really appreciate that comment. Why should they be? Why she's Lagos? She not go Benin.
Okay, I want to ask one question. Money where did they pay? Wait, I want to ask question. Money where did they pay? That's 3 children. Okay, no save, nothing. If they talk saying the children never eat. She
not buy land. She not do anything. You see, sometimes if I tell people
they use the money they do.
No, too much.
What is the money they do?
Money.
Yes. Like me now, as a day or so, no, I still get like 300 euro for pockets. Okay, now you get one cent.
Because nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. Nobody knows. Okay, she don't spend 14 years in Europe, not be for Germany. Even though for Europe, but she know if you just tell us that she just go, she not get anything, they don't allow her collect anything, which is like that one. That one and number one lie.
The woman get family. He get family. May he call family. May they send money give Vanna.
Thank you. Not the family she send money to make them do something. So when she ask those family.
Me would they touch you? Me would they touch you? Not be say person just come out for social media. No na help. You know fit to say no get safe for us. Huh? Now that one say I want to talk to her.
It's very, very difficult. It's very, very difficult. Before they will deport you, they will say you are not allowed to take anything. No, that one is quash. No. I don't believe. They must allow you.
I don't believe
there was one Nigerian lady that deported that time. You get one Nigerian woman where they see deport that time with Pikin. That woman, they tell her say make she take something with important for her. Before they deport the woman back.
Make her cut and at the verse, make her cut and me another person.
No problem. Thank you very much for calling. I love you. God bless you. Now. I love you too, my lady. Somebody need to tell us what is going on. This our sister, madam, here, I beg, give me a meje. Don't tell us my mama. We need to know the cocoa. Good morning, my lady. With God, that is impossible. Thank you. 300 okay. 300 okay. When your guy disappoints you, we know that you don't have anything in account. May God have mercy on those people that cherish that nonsense called single mother. Hello, my lady. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hello?
Hello, I'm hearing you. Please continue. We are hearing you.
Okay, fine. I'm in Europe, but I'm not in Germany. So I'm in.
No problem.
Okay. But why is it that so many, I'm not married, I'm single. So many single mothers, they are in Germany. They don't want to work. They don't want to do anything. How can somebody be in Europe for good 14 years and she don't have anything in Nigeria? She can't even boast of anything. And now she wants people to help her for what? So there is no way you can help that kind of a person. If you have been in Europe for 14 years and you have not achieved anything, so she better go home and rest and do something better with her life. So that's the part. So for me, I don't have anything to say. Because how can you be in Europe 14, not 1, not 2, 14 good years, and you don't have anything, nothing, and you are there saying somebody should come and help you for what? Even if I have the money, I can't help you. Because as a mother, you have so many responsibilities to take care of. So she, okay, fine. All the money that I've been paying her in Germany, what did she do with the money?
Ask me, she use it to buy Gucci. She use it to give black boy. You should not see what's at the talk. If I talk, some people go, they say, Mama, hey, auntie, shut up, you too stingy. Not be said by stingy. Do something important for your kids. Stop giving men money. So then, those men, maybe Sister, madam, I don't know whether you carry the money give man. You get beaten. I don't know whether you carry the money give man or I know they judge you, but this one a lesson to all women. Be you single mother, be you married woman. It's me shy girl. Because sometimes if they want deport, even though they stay with man for us, they're not going to deport the man follow you. They will deport man.
The thing don't even too much for women. Single mother, they don't want to marry all because of Aduro money. All of the pack, they go Germany. Want to go chop Aduro. All those kinds of things are nonsense. Nonsense. Okay, okay. Even if I not there Germany, how they'll just deport 3 children and mother for no reason? That will not make sense. Now, may talk better, may talk reasonable word where go make people believe what she did talk. Overnight, 2 o'clock. I know they Germany shop, but I know they that kind of thing not happen for Europe.
I don't believe for that woman math. Number 1, now that 2 o'clock. Oh, number 2, say they don't allow carry anything. Number 3, say the anchor park. Okay, maybe the anchor park because maybe she want make problem with them. Yes, that was the 5th one. But sometimes, hello, we need to use our sense now. May we stop to the carry fake rumors the waka. Like YouTube now, I'm not gonna call the person name. I see the person put for YouTube there, German police kill Nigeria woman because they want to take their kids away from her. That is quash.
Yes,
maybe you ask very well what happened to that woman. Okay, she take injection. Okay, fine, but the police want to collect your pikin. They don't need to kill you, even though you be 100. If they want to collect your pikin, they will collect them. You know, if you do anything. Yes. Not be saying they can't give you injection, they kill you small because no, that is squash. I bet before now they post anything for YouTube or for Facebook, none of they ask where, none of they get proof for the matter. Because very soon, even the police will even come for now with the Facebook.
You not get father, not be person give man the 3 children. Where their father? Not get father. You not get husband for that 3 children when you get so. For me, I don't know because
pretty Sandra, yeah, she just want to cook black bread soup. I don't feel that. Caller, thank you very much. Please, next caller.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. Say, but sometimes we need to. I know say I be mother, but sometimes some things there when we say, how far we still, sometimes some things when things are too much, it's too much. So I be mama, yes, I know, but it's good. See, you get one of my cousins. I don't call her name yet. Okay, somebody is calling. Hello. Good morning, ma. I'm on live video.
Hello, mama.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, I feel put on for speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm coming. Please continue, ma'am.
I just call for this live video because I saw my way. So I know I just sent her Facebook. Now I see your facing on live.
Yeah.
I don't know which one for my side. So the thing is this. I never call for any live video before. My first time when I got this. No say sometimes something is motivate somebody.
Yeah.
That woman when I so this morning some people send up to my messenger. So now I see this to the woman. I never even seen her before. My first time this morning. That woman I lie and kill her.
Okay.
Now lie go kill her. And I did pray for all of them. And so this spirit could enter their body. Those some of them when they come down my name because I don't live for this country for many years. So I never see that kind of story before. And if really say now she forgot these 3 kids when she said she born, she don't know what her maid they do when they stay for Europe.
Thank you.
She declares she don't know what her maid they do. I think now who they worry her. Make she know they spread down my name otherwise thunder will fire her. Make she know they spread down my name because that man not that harmless. They don't want to deport their own children, citizens. Like even if it happened to her, you know, say now different countries for both those things. Then she carried the comfort of Paduro for Germany. They don't spread down my name. Before German God will come destroy them because that man not that harmless. He said they bundle her, they uncle her leg and her arm. If they go and those kids will cry. Because me, I know my children. If I even play small argument for hope with somebody, maybe my say loud, my children will begin to cry. Because of their will stop this discussion. You understand me? So it's not true say they uncle her leg and her hand. If you uncle her hand, then her leg, that one her leg. Because those kids will cry. You understand me? So apart from that, since when she did them,
say 14 and 15 years, she stay Europe. She don't even stay in Germany, stay Europe. When they ask her, say Europe. Why she not do what her maid they do? Eh? Why she not do her? She go, she stay Europe, she go and place that her first school. That boy will not pass 9 years. You understand me? So, and the second one will not see 7 or 8 years. Why she not do what her maid they do? They go to come up of social media, say she don't stay Europe for 15 years. She don't get documents. She don't reach Nigeria and start to this. She begin to cry for help. What did they worry her? She dey crazy. And what did they pay me fast? They can't give the new woman. What did they worry? Why did they like to disgrace us like that? And then somebody don't know her. Maybe she don't stop it pack well. Maybe she don't enter her. Maybe she don't shut up at 30 months. Because the thing they make me the best. Okay. She not born those children for Germany. It's obvious. He not born those children. They interview the children, say, make them not speak Dutch. Children. If the children go to the country, before 2-3 weeks, they don't even understand the language because they are afraid they're very light. They don't get what they think. Not talk of children who go kindergarten. So therefore, interview the mama, make she speak Dutch, me I hear her. Useless woman. And then if you not know her, I'm gonna tell her, make she do it before Holy Ghost fire will consume her. Those kids are innocent, so they will punish her. She go put those children to suffer now. You know if you take off, you carry the call life. Go put the mosquito to chop those innocent kids. May nobody help her. Now don't those children, I need help. I don't talk my uncle, I need this. That's my sister.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Caller, please continue. Anyway, what we go do? We go help the kids. If we because all of us now mother, we go help the children. Boy, mama, madam, because you need to tell us, sister, la go go me wa yin egbemeje. Okay, can you tell mama? You need to tell us the cocoa waiting day because something there will be saying you know they tell us. Eh? See everybody just they say, madam, you lie, madam, you lie, madam, you lie, madam, sister, I beg, tell us truth. So caller, please continue.
Well, I get my own different opinion from everything where everybody talk. You understand?
Okay.
Everything are two-way coins. You understand? The woman feel don't fuck up. I don't say she no fuck up, however. For 14 years, if really she been there Germany. But the other way around, look and say, you get people who don't date this country even 30 years. They still they work, both men and women. Yeah. For in short, abroad generally, me I dey UK, you know, and they sleep for streets. And get some people where be say something they follow them for their family. Where be say they go down try their possible best. She don't come here, come they explain to her papa. And see people still criticize her. Okay, now more look and say maybe they help where she they sick from us. Now nobody help to women for her country because she no fit tell me say when she reach Nigeria, she don't know her papa house or her mama house to take those children there. But I feel say to me if I want look for her help because I just watch a video, you know. Feel say if I feel saying, for me, I don't say they have where she is sick. Now for her to go back, maybe not for her to go back to Germany because her children, she born them there, you know, because she don't reach us. She sabi her papa.
Stop that.
Hello,
I'm hearing you.
She don't reach us. Even though she knows sabi anywhere, she go sabi her, even though she knows sabi her papa compound. She go know, say she from Calabar like myself, you know. So she don't reach out. Maybe they help where this person they find. Now how to go back with those 3 children because as he did there now, maybe don't born those 3 children with 3 different men. And those men, they German, they feel up from Nigeria. And now it can't happen say they deport them. So move get PC. If you say that they help the woman are like this, you call her name so down on your own because if you say they help the children, now we go still give now the woman. So we be women, you understand? Mo no to blame her. Shit they happen. You know, your hand feel long which somewhere, her own no long which somewhere. So mo consider her. And we know say because of the sake of those children, mo leave all this talk. She be this, she no be this, no, you don't go anywhere. You understand? At the end of the day, you can't just say, oh, they help her because of the children. You don't still help her. Because first you help that children, you help her. Now because that children now be our biggest headache now. Now when she be for this matter, now those children now be our biggest headache. Not be because of herself. So that's why she they cry out. because the papa for those children fit be from different fathers where she no even know their root. They don't remember for Germany they born this pikin. So we just consider like that. So if any way they were the woman can go back, go meet the papa to those children, and those children who consider and at this matter and we suppose they talk. How those children will carry meet their papa? The first question be say how that to ask this woman where those children papa from, because you know good now generational causes. Now him be that. Where these children their papa from? Now him go be our concern. Don't be about how again. So me our time don't pass. Now about the children. So we no dey here condemn artists. We no go anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my sister. This your opinion, no be here. Thank you very much. Now God will really bless you. Thank you. Wow, thank you, caller. God will bless you. Oh, thank you.